This is a 2010 Lincoln MKT. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, all-wheel drive. Plus, having just come off lease, this Lincoln is in like-new condition. Its top features include a turbocharger, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a power rear lift tailgate, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, the SecuriLock anti-theft system, LED taillights, dual power seats, and this vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. This Lincoln has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.